In this video, we're going to learn about the new KNP Guides in Closed Caption Creator and how they can be used to improve accuracy and consistency in your localization projects. To get started, you can open the KNP Manager by going to the Edit menu and selecting KNP Manager. The KNP Manager is where you can create and edit KNP Guides for your entire team. When I select a KNP Guide, you'll see two tabs near the top of the screen. The first tab contains general information about the guide, such as the name, languages, and access permissions. The Terms tab is where you'll spend most of your time entering terms and translations. The main concept here is that when working on a series or episodic content, you'll want to keep track of important terms to help ensure they are translated the same way, regardless of who is working on the project. Guides can easily be accessed by using the lookup panel available in the top toolbar. This provides a simple interface for translators to search and add new terms to a guide. Guides can also be used to improve AI translation and transcription. For example, when running an automatic transcription job, a user can select a KNP guide. This helps reduce word error rate and improve accuracy. In this example, we have a scientific name that is correct in the transcription using the KNP guide and incorrect in the transcription without. If you have any questions or would like help getting started with Closed Caption Creator, please visit www.closedcaptioncreator.com.